After you have solved a mathematics problem, are you sure you've got it right? Do you check? Do you know how to check? This video will demonstrate. Let's solve the problem first, then we check. Colin had a collection of badges, postcards, and magnets, 3 items. So it will be a good idea to set up a table. He had 85 badges. 30% of his collection was postcards, but instead of writing 30%, I prefer to write 30 units, assuming that the total is 100 units. He had 51 fewer postcards than magnets. So 30 units plus 51. If I write 30% plus 51, it is mathematically incorrect because I have to write 30% of what? That is why I chose to write 30 units. How many postcards did Colin have? This one. When we have a table, all the information is clearly shown. We know that the total is 100 units. We already have 60 units. So the remaining 40 units must come from 85 and 51. Value of 40 units equal 85 plus 51 equal 136. Now we move towards 30 units. Value of 10 units equal 136 divided by 4 equal 34. And finally, number of postcards, which is 30 units, will be 34 times 3 equal 102. We have our first answer. Part B. Colin gave away some postcards. His total collection decreased by 20%. What percentage of his collection was postcards after that? So the total has changed. The new total is 20% less than 100 units. 100 units minus 20 units equals 80 units. The reason why we minus 20 units is because 20% of 100 units is 20 units. This loss of 20 units comes from postcards because Colin gave away some postcards. Postcards left will be 30 units minus 20 units equal 10 units. What percentage of his collection was postcards after that? This collection refers to the new total, 80 units. So 10 units out of 80 units times 100% equal 12.5%. Our second answer. Check. The strategy of checking is to start with the answer 102 and move towards a target in the question. We have 85 badges, we have 30% of its collection, we have 51 fewer postcards. 85 looks like the easiest target. 85 badges. We start with the answer. Number of postcards is 30 units, 102. From here, we can find the total, which is 100 units. 102 divided by 30 times 100 equal 340. Magnets. 30 units plus 51. 30 units is 102. Plus 51, we get 153. So, to find the number of badges, we take the total and subtract these two numbers. And we get 85, the target. This confirms that our answer is correct. Because if you don't get 85 here, something is wrong. Let's check the second answer, 12.5%. From part B, the target is 20%, the decrease in total. 12.5% of new total equal 10 units equal 34. 10 units equal 34. So, if 12.5% of new total is 34, 100% of new total will be 34 divided by 12.5 times 100 equal 272. What is the decrease in percentage? When we reduce 340 to 272, the percentage decrease in total is 340 minus 272 divided by 340 times 100%. Take note that we divide by 340, the original total, and we get 20%, our target. So once again, we confirm that we are on the right track. So when we check, instead of doing the question again, we do something different. We take the answer and work backwards or towards a target. In this way, we check actively.